Respawn's edge, the shattering floor, and the need for raid-wide repositioning all became staples of future high-end fights. The Lich King redefined what a raid boss could be.
Yeah, the Lich King was really and is really quite the success story of how do you actually like make a raid boss feel like the ultimate threat, the ultimate enemy. And I think that like as much as like I won't talk about it right now, Blizzard really successfully made it so Arthas, the Lich King, became this ultimate threat, and the fight that we got to experience as players really reflected well on the identity of this antagonist, this enemy.
He was not just a gameplay challenge, but a set piece built to evoke a climax. It was the first time Blizzard fully integrated